Here's how to register for IIM Calcutta's DigiAIM program, step by step. Before you begin, keep these documents ready. ID proof, passport photo, degree certificate, your signature, minimum 2 years work experience proof, LinkedIn profile URL, and your statement of purpose. Ensure all files are under 1 megabyte. Go to the official DigiAIM program page. Confirm you are on the correct page. Scroll to the bottom and click Start your application. You will be redirected to the registration screen. Enter your basic details, name, email, phone number. Complete the CAPTCHA and click Register. You'll now see a confirmation page. Check your inbox for an email from Leadup Universe titled Verify Account and Apply to Leadup Universe. Open it and click Validate Email. Click Start your application. You'll need to complete 3 sections: personal information, educational qualification, and professional details. Fill in your personal details and upload all required documents, each under 1 megabyte. Click Next. Enter your education details. Upload your mark sheet, then click Next. Now fill out your employment information. Use More to add additional experience. Paste your LinkedIn profile URL and enter your statement of purpose. Upload your signature and proceed. Finally, click Application Fee. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the fee. Thank you. You're now one step closer to joining IIM Calcutta's DigiAIM program.